my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, for today's video I'm gonna be sharing 4 DIYs that I made, and I feel very proud about these DIYs because I use things that I already had at home. And guys, you're probably not going to have the same things that I use for these DIYs, but maybe you can have something that looks similar, or you can create the same technique, the same colors. You don't need to go and buy anything. Try to use things that you have at home, add some paint, a log, and you're going to see that you really can do magic with things that probably you don't like anymore and give it a new fresh look to your home. I hope that you enjoy and have fun in today's video. Please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, remember to follow me on my social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, my webpage DIYbyjazz.com, and right now I have Pinterest, so you can follow me there as well. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and let's get started to these DIYs.
Okay guys, so for the first project, I'm going to transform this vase that I had a long time ago in my house, and it is from Walmart. I was not using it because I no longer like it, and I think it looks a little bit boring, but I saw a video of my friend Nicole from the Week's Nest channel, and that really inspired me to transform this vase, and I'm going to leave you the link of her channel so you can go and see. So I start using my chalk paint in black or ink color, and I'm going to give it one coat of paint to the entire bottom of this vase. The center of the vase that is made in braids, I'm going to leave it that brown color it has, but at the top part I'm going to give it another color to create some contrast, and I'm going to use my Waverly chalk paint in white color, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of paint, and between each coat to dry my paint, save time and make the process faster. I really like to use a lot my heat tool. I love to use this whenever I paint, so in the description box you're going to find the link of where you can get this tool. Once all the paint is dry, I will put paper, or maybe you can put plastic inside of this vase just to fill the empty space, and then I'm going to put these leaves that are from Walmart just to give it some green touches to this piece. And I really love how my new vase looks like, and now it has that modern farmhouse touch and match with the rest of my decor. It looks like a whole new piece, and I just add a little bit of paint. Next project, I have this candle holder at home. I think it is from Walmart. I get it on sale, and it has this red brown color. I don't know how to explain that color, but I don't love it. So I'm going to change this piece for something that I like and give it a completely new look with a little bit of paint. So the first thing I did was to use my Waverly chalk paint in white color, and I'm going to give it like 3 coats of paint to cover the color that my candle holder has. From there, I decided to create a distressed look with paint. So I'm going to use my Waverly chalk paint in hazelnut color. I really like this color, and with a brush I'm going to be painting on it, just a little bit of paint. And I did that distressed look, but focusing on the edges and details that this candle holder has. I made this project so fast. It is super easy to make, and I really like the combination of the white color with the hazelnut to create this effect. I already used this technique to paint a frame, boxes, and many things, and I really love how it looks, and I'm so happy how my new candle holder looks like. Okay guys, I found this shelf with hooks in a thrift store for only $1, and it is made of wood. Of course, it looks very bad in this color and poorly painted, so let's transform this treasure. First, I'm going to remove all the hooks. It has to be able to paint and make it easier for me. I want my shelf to have that wood texture, but I don't want to sand the whole piece. I don't want to sand that pink color. I think it is a lot of work, and I'm not a big fan of sanding things. So what I was going to use is my Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to give it 2 thin coats of paint. Once everything was dry, then I used my Waverly wax in antique color to create that wood effect on my entire shelf, and then I dried everything with my heat tool. Guys, I prefer only to paint before having to sand everything to get to that wood of the shelf. I think, I don't know, it is easier for me, but it is a personal preference. You can sand if you want, but I prefer to paint. I will be painting the hooks with my Waverly chalk paint in black or ink color, and I'm going to dry them, and then I'm going to put them back on my shelf. I really like how the black color looks like with the wood texture and the white color. The walls of my house are in white color, so I am very happy with the colors that I put on my shelf, and it will create a good contrast in my wall. I want to create that farmhouse entryway on my apartment a long time ago, so I'm going to be using this wall to place my shelf. At the top of the shelf, I will add a DIY decor that I made throughout my channel and pops of green colors. I'm also going to add a cute little basket that I got on a thrift store, and I'm going to hang it on one of the hooks. On the other side, I'm going to put these chains on wood that I also found in a thrift store. I don't remember how much they cost me. I really like them, and I never used them before. I think this was the perfect moment to use it in this project. So I'm going to put them hanging on the other hook, and I'm going to put small pieces of boxwood from Walmart to give it a spring touch. At the bottom of this wall, I will place a bench. I got this wood bench in a trash. I sanded, I painted like a year ago, I think. That video, it's already on my channel. I'm going to leave you the link in the description box. But after a year and with kids at home, the paint gets some damages, and this bench was in my room before, but now I'm going to put it on my entryway, and I'm going to change that mineral color that has on the top, and I'm going to paint the entire top with my Waverly wax in antique color. And I always put a white paint base first before applying the wax, but I took the risk and I painted on that gray color. The only difference is it will be a little bit darker, but it actually turned out so beautiful. When you are painting with this antique wax color, try to paint only in one direction with a brush to give it that wood texture. And I'm going to leave the bottom of the bench in white color, but I'm going to give it one coat of paint to cover any scratches, and it will look like new. Once everything is dry, I'm going to place some pillows on the top on one side of the bench and a tray with some decor pieces that I already had. You guys have no idea for how long I want that my entryway looks like this. I'm so happy how it turned out. I love the colors that I use. I love the bench. I love everything. And you see a completely renovated space just by changing things around and adding some color. I really hope that you can get some inspiration from this video. Don't throw furniture that you have at home. Just add some paint, new colors, and give it a fresh air to your home. I really hope that you like and enjoy today's video. Give me a big thumbs up, that really helps to support my channel. Leave me a comment, please subscribe to my channel, and share some inspiration to your friends and family. I love you so much. Hope you have a beautiful day, beautiful week, and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys, stay safe.